Hello guys, welcome to the third video in this video series on business registrations and company incorporation here in Nigeria. In our second video, I walked you through the steps you will take to create an account as a public user. And you remember I said that a public user is anybody that wants to create an account on the ICRP platform just to register a business or a company for themselves without engaging the services of an accredited agent. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account as an accredited agent. So once again, you proceed to click sign up and then you select your account type, accredited agent, and then you click continue. For you to create an account as an accredited agent, you must be either a lawyer, an accountant, a chartered secretary, as the case may be. So after opening up this page, you have to select your agent type, who you are, the profession you fall under. So you can see the Nigerian Bar Association individual, the NBA firm, chartered accountants individual. So I am a lawyer, so I have to select Nigerian Bar Association individual because I am opening this account for myself. My name again is John Doe. So I select my date of birth. My date of birth has not changed. So I'm still as old as I was in my second video. I was born in 1960, October 1st. And then my gender, I'm still male. I have not changed and I will not change. And then I select my nationality, which is Nigeria. And then my phone number, select. And then I said this phone number has been taken, so I have to change, modify. And then I input my email. I can't use an email that I have used on this platform already, so I have to use a fresh email, another email. So I proceed to use John, and then I confirm it. So this is just like the second video. I just want us to see what's different here. It's just like the second video where we had to fill in these information. So I proceed to input my username and password. I have to ensure that your password match. Then lawyer, legal practitioner, anyone you want to put, whatever works for you, but it's legal practitioner, my means of identity, national ID, my address, I'm still in Nigeria. I never japa it, so I put in my states. Okay, what state was I from last time? Now I'm in Cross River, and my local government is Calabar Municipal. So I put it, and then I put in my postal code, like I mentioned, is optional. So Calabar, put in my city. Ensure these informations are accurate. These are just placeholders for this video. So as you can see, this is different from the public user accounts. When we were creating that account, all we had to do was just to fill in the form and then we register, and that was it. But right here you can see we are filling the form and we are on the preview page. We have to ensure that every information we provided is correct, and then you have to continue again. It has not ended, so the steps continue. And this is where you have to upload your documents. You cannot say you are a lawyer and then you cannot provide your call to bar certificates and every. So right here you have to provide. These are the documents that you have to upload to create an account as an accredited agent. So you have to upload your signature, you have to upload your passport photograph, your evidence, your ID card, your qualifying certificate, which is your call to bar, and then your NYC discharge certificate. You must have your NYC certificate or your exemption letter. So you have to provide your current practicing fee receipt, whether you are 1 year at the bar, whatever year you are, you have to provide the receipt and it has to be current. After uploading all the documents, you click continue application and it takes you here. Unlike the public user account, the accredited agent account is not free, so you have to pay 10,000 naira You have to pay 10,000 naira for an individual accredited agent account, and you pay make this payment through remitter. You are not going to be making any payments, or you just click remitter and then it opens up the remitter page, and then you make your payment. Either you're making through bank transfer, through card, you pay the 10,000 naira, and once your payment is successful, just like with the public user account, your accounts will be registered. Just to add, if you encounter any issue, you are faced with whatever challenge, or you have further questions to ask, wherever you see this video, you can drop the comments. We'll do our best possible to provide you with the guidance, with whatever assistance that you need to the best of our abilities. So, guys, if you watched to this point, I am sincerely grateful, and I will see you on the next video.